Hey, welcome back to my channel, and if you're new here, welcome. I'm Deanna. Today we're going to be doing a little silver iridescent eyeshadow highlight look today, so let's go ahead and get into it. So I've already gone ahead and primed my eyes with my MAC 24-hour extended eye base. I love this eye base. It does not crease, and I've got really like creasy eyelids, and this does not crease throughout the day, and thank you for that. So I'm going to go into this Pure Midnight Masquerade face palette, and I'm going to be going into this little exposed, which is this silver color right here. And I'm just going to be taking a kind of a big eyeshadow brush, and I'm just going to put this all over my lid. How's everyone doing today? I'm doing pretty good. Got up kind of early this morning. Got a meeting at work today, so got to go in a little early. I'm gonna take a little fluffy brush and just kind of dust away it at the edges and just blend it out a little bit. Next, I'm gonna go into this MAC's Basic Bitch palette, and I'm gonna be going into this color called Tattletale, which is this tiny little color right here. And I'm gonna be using a tiny little eyeshadow brush, and I'm going to start off by putting this in my inner corner. And I'll do the same thing on the other side. Honestly, I really like that. I'm gonna take this all over, not all of my lid, but probably from like here over and not up. And I'm gonna put this down, like from like the middle of my eye. And I'll do the same thing to the other eye. So I'm gonna go ahead and dust out the edges and kind of merge these two together. And I'm just lightly going back and forth. I'm not trying to go all the way to the corner, to the outer corner of my eye. Today for highlight, I'm gonna be using two highlighters. I'm gonna be using my Becca highlighter and my Fenty Beauty highlighter. The Becca one is a more iridescent, kind of a purple undertone to it. I don't know if you can see that or not, but it does kind of have this like purple pink reflect in there. And then I am going to be going into my Fenty Beauty, and I'm going to be going into the Fire Crystal side specifically. It is just a beaming highlight. I'm going to go in with this little highlighting brush. Ooh, I grabbed way too much. And I'm just gonna highlight my cheekbones and up to my temples. And I think now you can definitely see it has like this pink purple reflect in it, tone to it. It's really pretty. Next, I'm gonna move on to my Fenty Beauty, and I'm gonna go into the Fire Crystal right here. And I'm just lightly, and I mean lightly tapping in here. And then I'm gonna highlight again. Up to the temple. literally, it's my favorite. These are my favorite highlighters, hands down. These are the best highlighters, in my opinion. For eyeliner, I'm going to be using my Fenty Beauty Flypencil, and because I'm black, and I'm just going to be putting this on my waterline. For mascara, I'm going to be using my Honest Beauty Lash Primer and Mascara. And I'm just going to take the little lash primer first and go through and prime all my lashes. Ow, I just like stabbed myself in the eye. Now I'm going to go in with the mascara portion. Next, I'm going to be using just a clear brow gel all over my brows. This is the Ready Set Brow Perfect Brow Groomer. This is from European Wax Center. And I'm just lightly going to brush this through my brows. Last but not least, I'm going to top it off with a Fenty Gloss Bomb. This is in the shade Confetti. And this is how we're going to finish up this look. This is like a clear blue purple reflect lip gloss. Alrighty, so this completes today's video. I really love this silver eye much more than I thought I would. It really brings out the green in my eyes, which I love. So yeah, leave a comment below what you think of the look. Give me a thumbs up and subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye!